That's right, guys. This is Royal Enfield Slide School. What's up, folks? So here we are at the Big Rock Dirt Park, and we're here for a very, very special day because Royal Enfield has collaborated with the Big Rock Dirt Park to start India's very first flat track school, and it's called Slide School. Well, what you see right here is the Himalayan, and now it's definitely one of Royal Enfield's amazing motorcycles for off-roading. And then on my left, you have the flat track version of this bike. Now, we saw the flat track version at Rider Mania in Goa. Now, we finally gotten to ride the bike. Well, obviously, to be a flat track bike, this has now been stripped down of the things it does not need. So it doesn't need a headlight, doesn't need the seat, doesn't need many of the panniers, so it gets much lighter weight. It also gets new tires. The front brake has obviously been removed. It's also got a new sprocket. And so everything about this bike is just screaming out flat track. And it's also got an exhaust courtesy of SNS. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this motorcycle here and go around the Big Rock Dirt Park flat track, and we're gonna be trained by professionals to get in a little bit of an experience of what it's like to be in the flat track, because from my previous experience on the flat track, it is unlike any other riding you will experience anywhere across the globe, because the manner in which you ride the bikes is completely different from the basics we know of road riding and off-road riding. This is a flat track, dirt, oval, and it's going to be really exciting. So let's get this going. Wow, what a fantastic day we've had, ladies and gentlemen. It was so tiring. I've used muscles that I've never possibly used before. I have done flat track before at the one in Jaipur, but this was a full day of extensive flat track training, and it was a wonderful experience. The bikes are really fun to ride. They're definitely not the lightest, so you do feel the weight. It was so much fun. We learned all the techniques about seating position, how to distribute your weight on the bike, how to brake, how to use the downshifter. It was just an incredible day. I fell 3 times, but I'm in good shape. Nothing hurt, nothing broken. So yes, if you really are interested in having the time of your life on dirt and sliding around, having some good fun, you best head down to Royal Enfield Slide School here at the Big Rock Dirt Track. It's a fantastic experience. Come with your friends, come with your family, bring everyone you know and just come and have a great time. You can camp out here. They've got great food here, a lot of other activities as well. So really, honestly, this is a great initiative by Royal Enfield to get all their customers to come in. In fact, you don't have to own a Royal Enfield bike. You can bring your own bike and you can go on the dirt track and you can go on the flat track, and it's just a wonderful experience. All in all, one of the best enthusiast tracks to come to. It's not just for the pros, it's for beginners, it's for intermediates, it's for advanced. Whatever you are, if you are a biking enthusiast and you like to hit the dirt, you might as well come down to Slide School.